Children, this is SS, that is the history part. We are continuously studying about the history part. The first lesson, it was two big states, and next was Rajput age, and the other lesson was lesson number 6, administrative system and architecture during the medieval age. Now we are going to see the last lesson of history part of SS, that is Delhi during the medieval period. Children, for lesson 1 and lesson 4 and lesson 6, the answers for Holy, workbook Holy Faith, it is given to you. Children, I have sent the answers. So please try to write in the workbook. And those who are not having the workbook, write it in the notebook. And questions also I have sent. So please compulsorily write and learn. And not only that, children, you have to write the question answers of all lesson 1, 4 and 6, textual question answers. In textbook, the questions are given. You have to find the answer by yourself and you have to write it in SS notebook. That answers you start from the last part of your notebook. So now we'll go to the lesson Delhi during the medieval period. So here the introduction goes like this. They have started this lesson with a small introduction, that is Bhagavati Ben. She went on a tour to North India. Children, you are also taken a picnic from school and from your house also they take you family tour, picnic and all. So here what she is doing, wherever she went, she has note down about what she saw. In her diary she has written. Same way children, whenever you also go for tour, picnic and all, you have to note it down. What and all you see in that place. Only not enjoying, you have to learn something from that place. You may be going to visit temples or monuments or any hill station. Many things are there to note down. So you have to write it in your diary. It will be a memorable one and also you can get more information when you go through that. So the same thing she did here, she noted down and now she is reading out in our class. This is the thing. In this way this lesson is started. So first we are going to study about the slave dynasty. Already children, in the previous lessons we have studied about Muhammad Ghazni, Muhammad Gori, okay, and next is Qutbuddin Aibak. He was a slave and then he became as a ruler. So from these things what happened that we will study. So here the Delhi Sultanate, it was founded in the beginning of 13th century after the death of Muhammad Gori, one of his loyal slaves. So one of his loyal slaves became the commander and he established the control over the throne of Delhi. That one of the slave means who? That is the Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay. So he came to the throne and he was he was a slave and he was also commander in that army. So after Muhammad Gori he came to the throne. So it was known as slave dynasty. So from there it started and he faced many problems. He fought and attacked many places and conquered and came into the control of his kingdoms and he had a stable administration. And he constructed a minar and his son-in-law completed that minar. That is also the famous one, that is Qutub Minar. Here you can see here the picture is given. And Iltutmish, he was the son-in-law of him. So the architectural style in Qutub Minar was constructed in the mixture of Hindu and Muslim styles. So the picture which is given, Qutub Minar. So it is the combination architecture of Hindu and Muslim styles. and this place was the capital during the Sultanate age. And Iltutmish, he was also a slave in the beginning. He also conquered many territories in India and made them the part of the Delhi Sultanate. So he was also known as the founder of slave dynasty. So children, in the next class we will study about his daughter.